Hi, let's see another AWS native FinOps tools, and this time it will be Cost Explorer. So AWS Cost Explorer allows you to visualize, understand, and manage your AWS costs and usage over time. You can also create and save custom reports that analyze cost and usage data with pre-configured views. You can also analyze your data at a high level, like having all your icons in the same time from the management account, or you can dive deeper into your cost and usage data to identify trends, pinpoint cost drivers, and detect anomalies. You can use all the filters to help you. And finally, you can create a cost and usage forecast for a future time range for your report.